People want to believe that our system is just and fair. Unfortunately, it is not. It's designed to move the people that are accused into the different stages of the process. Well, the immediate thing that anyone faces when they're falsely accused is the arrest. That is your permanent record. It is there forever, and it takes a lot of machinations to wipe that clean or to at least minimize that. Second, from the moment you are placed in those handcuffs, you are treated like a criminal. At the jail, at the courthouse, anything you go through, people assume that what you're accused of, you've done. The earlier we can get involved in that process is typically better. There's a lot of tangential consequences that people don't think about that happen before you set foot in a courtroom the first time. Some people lose their jobs just because they've been arrested. Some people lose access to their children. Anytime a detective calls you on the phone and says, hey, I'd like to talk to you about whatever, your answer should be, I need an attorney to speak to you. Sometimes just being nervous is an indicator of guilt to someone in authority. This is an authority figure asking you questions. Do you want to go to jail for the rest of your life because you answered those questions or because you were nervous when you answered those questions? We have to make it fair. Unfortunately, the government doesn't particularly like to be stood up to, so they design more and more ways to make it harder and harder for someone to stand up to them. That's our job, protect. Protect the person that the state is coming after. That's what we do. The DIY approach, or let me talk to the free attorney that's waiting to take my phone call, is probably not your best advice in this situation, and it can mean your future, can mean your life. That's when you need to call Frye Law Group. We can help.